two of the most important concepts in the world of money: profit and loss. Why they matter so much, not just in business, but in everyday life. At its core, profit is when you make more money than you spend. And loss? You guessed it, it's when you spend more money than you make. Let's use an easy example. Imagine you decide to start a small business selling bracelets. You go to a supplier and buy 10 bracelets for £2 each. Your total cost, or the money you spent, is £20. We'll call this your money out. Now you set up a little stall and sell all 10 of those bracelets for £4 each. You collect a total of £40 from your customers. This is your revenue, or your money in. To figure out your profit, you just subtract your costs from your revenue. You made £40, but you spent £20 to get the bracelets in the first place. So £40 minus £20 leaves you with £20. That £20 is your profit. It's the extra money you earned after covering all your initial expenses. Simple, right? But what if things didn't go so well? Let's rewind. You still spend that same £20 buying the 10 bracelets. However, this time, maybe they weren't as popular as you hoped. You end up selling all of them, but you only manage to get a total of £15 for the whole lot. In this scenario, your money in is £15, but your money out was £20. You spent more than you earned. If you take the £15 you made and subtract the £20 you spent, you're left with a negative number, minus £5. That £5 shortfall is your loss. It means you're £5 poorer than when you started. So the golden rule is this: if your money in is greater than your money out, you have a profit. If your money out is greater than your money in, you have a loss. Thinking in terms of profit and loss is like having a compass for your financial decisions. Profit is a green light. It tells you that what you're doing is working. It's a signal that your business model is healthy and sustainable. Businesses use their profits to grow. They can save it for a rainy day, reinvest it to buy more stock, hire more staff, or even improve their products and services to attract more customers. Profit is the fuel for growth. On the other hand, a loss isn't just a failure. It's valuable feedback. It's a red flag telling you that something needs to change. A loss might mean your prices are too low to cover your costs. Or maybe your costs are too high and you need to find a cheaper supplier. It could also mean that there just isn't enough demand for your product. A loss forces you to stop, analyze, and rethink your strategy. It's a tough but essential teacher. This is why understanding profit and loss is a critical life skill. It helps you make smarter decisions with your money. It tells you whether an idea, a project, or a business venture is actually helping you move forward, or if it's holding you back financially. And this isn't just for big corporations. Even kids can learn this. If you spend £1 on ingredients to make lemonade and sell it for £3, you've made a £2 profit. If you spend £5 on craft supplies to make keychains, but only sell them for a total of £3, you've made a £2 loss. It's a fundamental principle of value creation. Ultimately, managing money isn't just about earning it. It's about understanding what's left after all the spending is done. That's the real game, and that's the difference between profit and loss. Profit helps your money grow and build wealth, while loss teaches you what needs to be fixed to get back on track. Like and subscribe for more videos. Compound interest, the eighth wonder of the world.